So this is another little tutorial on the Boogie Shuffle, number 8 in the, what's this book called? No, it's called Rock Guitar Fake Book. There we go. And we're looking at strumming patterns. It's number 8 in the book, the triplets version instead of the dotted figure. And the way it's written, we've got a scratch on the backbeat, so like this. But what I want to talk about is how to get a feel for this rhythm, thinking about if you've ever ridden a horse. So if you've ever ridden a horse or seen a horse being ridden and just walked, and you can kind of get a feel for moving in the saddle. This is going to look really corny, I'm sure. But you kind of capture the movement of yourself in the saddle on a horse, and you can hear the clip-clopping of hooves on the pavement. And that's the kind of vibe we're trying to emulate on the guitar. 1, 2,